If you are a website owner, you should be using social media to drive more online traffic to your website and increase sales. Pinterest is a popular social networking site and a great place to drive sales for e-commerce stores. This visual discovery platform is one of the most visited websites in the US, with over 400 million monthly active users and billions of virtual pins that drive thousands of traffic to e-commerce websites every day. Fortunately, you don't have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars advertising your business to get a good ROI. Some good old strategies still come in handy when it comes to increasing brand awareness and driving free traffic from Pinterest. There are over 2 billion searches on Pinterest every month. That is a lot of opportunities for your pins to show up in a search and drive traffic back to your website. Why is Pinterest great for driving website traffic? It's a search engine. Most people have the misconception that Pinterest is a social media platform, but it's actually a search engine. It's easier to rank. Pinterest's algorithm isn't as advanced as Google's, which means it's easier and faster to rank for popular keywords. How to create a Pinterest pin. First, log into your Pinterest account. Click the Create menu at the top of your Pinterest profile. Select Create Pin from the drop-down menu. Upload an image file from your computer. Then, add a title to your pin. Add a pin description. Then enter your website link here. Select Publish to create your Pinterest pin. So, if you want to create a professional image for your pin, first go to canva.com. Then click on Create a Design. Type here Pinterest, then select Pinterest Pin from the drop-down menu. From here you will get a lot of ready-made templates. Then you can easily edit and download the images for your Pinterest pin. Why do people use Pinterest? Pinterest is a social platform built on beautiful and shareable imagery. The main reason why people use Pinterest is to find inspiration and ideas for their interests and hobbies. When people have an idea they would like to share, they can make a pin image that can be searched for and found by other users. The great thing about a pin is that you can add a link to it, which makes it great for driving traffic to your e-commerce store. Once immersed in Pinterest, people are drawn deeper and deeper into the world of fascinating photography, leading to even more ideas and inspiration. So, create a Pinterest board for your blog posts and different pins for each of your posts. Eye-catching pins with memorable captions are sitting at the top of the list of important Pinterest factors. To make it easy to share blog posts, create a blog board where you can pin all of your blog posts. You don't want to pin the same pin over and over because Pinterest will flag you as spam, but you can mix up images with different descriptions and titles to create multiple pins for the same link that are not repetitive.